Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we don't need the last one. Let's change this one to soft delete. These ones are all changes string. Okay, yeah, so let's run the migration. Okay, one more thing, we need to set it in the fillable form data. So we're going to use eloquent for form submission and for queries. Is soft delete protected. Okay, primary key fillable. Set your key. The PHP style, just press Ctrl D to duplicate lines. Just set the so I have our fillable already set. Yeah, okay, so we can now run our migration successfully. PHP artisan migrate. So we've migrated out the table. Okay, so we will, so let's do the data. No need. So let's call our, let's say form data. Form data will be called the form data class. Sorry, model. Yeah, class of model. Then query. We call the create function on it. So create data. Yeah, we save it. So we cannot keep. We can put it in a transaction. So begin transaction. Then db commit. So let's do this. So let's say once that's done, let's check. Do we have a session? Okay, we don't have. Okay, no problem. So let's pick one from the auth login. The register. Verify. Okay, let's pick one from here. Let's close the rest of the files. We don't need them. Can just paste them here. Now change this one to success. So form data, so form controller. So we now return redirect. Anyway, back to where we came from with your session. With success. Let's echo something. PHP. So I have a form. Let's say form data. Say username. Form data username. Successfully created. And now save it. So if the request, so let's close it like this. So if it's a post request, it will, as this if statement returns true, it gets executed, then it redirects back to the form, else just return the view. So that's it. User form, blah blah blah. Username successfully submitted. So let's do a test. Let's submit again. Send refresh. Okay, oh sorry. Success. So we need to change this. Let's find a proper session message. Echo. Oh. Call this union. Okay. Dr. Cook. banana. Submit. Dr. Grow successfully created. Yeah, so that's how we handle form submission. So what we did was we didn't set a form we didn't set a form action here, and we didn't create multiple routes to handle the form, and we also didn't create multiple functions in the controller. All these ones will go waste. So just one index file can handle the multiple requests get in the post. One route can also do same. Can do a lot of validation checks, or a lot of can play around with the code here. So we can try and simplify. So we can try and simplify this if statement here. So what we can do is to say let's create another function. Let's pull everything here to copy. Let's paste it here, create. So just put in a variable here as request. We don't need no, let's put qualifier. Okay. So now what we're going to do is to simplify the code. So return to clean up the code. Request is method post. Then you call the function using this create request. So request else return view. So it's actually PHP shorthand for if doing if else. You can do multiple if else here by putting them in brackets. So you can if can have another one like this, another one like that. So if this execute that, sorry, shouldn't be that. So it can be like this, rather can be like this, rather. So else, then I can have something here, can have another condition, like another variable, say variable a, variable 1 equal to this else, and can now bring you another condition there. And the code will execute as like having if else and in another if else and another if else like that. Yeah, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I will not be using that. So let's revert to the original. Okay, so that's it, guys. So that's it. Sorry, that's it, guys. So if your request is post to call this create class function, sorry, create function, and execute this and returns and redirect back to the login page. Else, so just return a view. So let's do a test and see. So fish pond. Hello minions. Fish pond successfully created. I get it. So yeah, thanks guys.